Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in at Accounts. Google.com with the account you want to change. Once signed in, make sure your two-step verification prompts are accessible because Google may require a second factor. This is why you need a phone or backup code. If you don't see a prompt, check your recovery email or phone for a code. Once done, navigate directly to Security, where Password Settings Live. This gets you straight to the control where the change happens. You'll find password under Signing into Google in the Security section. Click Change Password and enter your current password so Google can confirm it's you. This prevents unauthorized changes. Next, type a new password and retype it to confirm. Use a unique phrase with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols for better protection. Make sure to avoid reused passwords. Once saved, Google will update all sessions and prompt reconnects on devices where needed, which keeps your account secure across services. After saving the new password, review your devices and recent security activity and sign out anywhere you don't recognize. This prevents lingering access. Make sure to update the saved password in your browser and password manager so apps reconnect smoothly. If you run into trouble and can't sign in, use the recovery email or phone for a verification code or start the account recovery flow. If that fails, follow the prompts to prove ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.